Hey, kindergarten. I am going to teach you how to use some new tools in Google Slides so that you can be successful with our math activity this week. So I have the instructions pulled up here. It says on each page, you will use your tools to circle and draw lines over animals that are taller or longer and shorter. So I'm going to go into the activity now. And here is what it looks like. So let me see if I can zoom in just a touch. I don't actually see the, there it is. Dun, 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 dun. So it says circle the taller animal, draw a line under the shorter animal. When something is taller, we know that it is going to go above something that is shorter, which is going to be smaller. It's going to go below. So let's focus in on these little giraffes. There's our giraffies. Aw, so cute. I need to decide which giraffe is taller and which giraffe is shorter. So I'm going to use these tools right up here. You'll notice this tool that's got a circle and a little square kind of hidden behind it. That is my shape tool. I'm going to click or touch that tool, and I'm going to come down to shapes. Shape. You see my magic E there is making the A say its name. I'm going to choose a circle shape. This is a circle shape. Remember, a circle shape goes around and it has no sides. Well, one line. It doesn't have any edges or corners. So I'm going to choose my circle. And then I'm going to use my circle shape to circle. My instructions say the taller animal. So is this giraffe taller? No, that one is shorter. This giraffe is taller. So I'm going to take my circle tool and I'm going to drag it out like this and put a circle around my taller animal. But oh no, Mrs. Eckley, it covered up my animal. What can I do? This is what you can do. You're going to come up here to this little paint bucket. It says fill color. Click on that. And then you're going to come right here where it has the drop and the line through it. It says transparent. Transparent is just a fancy grown-up way of saying it's see-through. So you can click on that, and all of a sudden I can see through my circle to see my giraffe. And the line of my circle is still there. So if I click away, you can see that there's that circle around my giraffe. If you want to get really fancy with it, you can use this tool right here, the pencil, to change the color of your circle. You can use this tool right next to it to change how thick your circle is. You do not have to get that fancy with it. A circle is going to be just fine. So to do our next step is to draw a line under the shorter animal. We're going to use the tool right next to the shapes. So find that circle and square shape again, and then go boop, right next to it. This one says line. And you can read this word. It's also got a magic E. L-I-N, line. So go ahead and click or touch that. And now you're ready to go to draw a line. So you're going to just drag across wherever you want your line to go. So I'm going to go right over here to go underneath my shorter giraffe. I'm going to click down and I'm going to drag across. And if I look really closely, I can see that that line is showing up under my giraffe. When I let go, my line will be there. My line's kind of thin. It's kind of hard to see. So if I want to, this is totally optional, you can go in and you can change the color. You can change how thick your line is. That way you can see that there's a line under the shorter animal. Okay, so you're going to do this for both pages. There's one that's got animals on it. Let me zoom back out and I can show you. There's a page that's got, oopsie daisy, giraffes, deer, zebras, and elephants. So you'll do circles under the taller animals there and lines under the shorter animals. And then there's a page that has fish. You'll do a circle under the fish that is longer and a line under the fish that is shorter. Hopefully this helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have a great rest of your day. See you next time.